We know already Georgia is facing very critical moment now. People are fighting for freedom, unity, and better future while the government is violent and they're changing the laws every day. Let me show you some Georgian phrases and words that people are saying. It will show you what we're trying to say. Ak ikneba sankция. There will be a sanction here because this is the house, so Idina Ivanishvili, so they're predicting that there will be a sanction. Ak io mosqidva. Well, idva means to buy something. Mosqidva means bribery. Ak io mosqidva. Ak io monoba. Ak io monoba means there was a slavery. Mona, it's a slave. Ak io controli. There was a control here. Ak io chantage. There was blackmailing here. Ak io Cordova. There was stealing here. Ak io simartle. The person that said the truth about what was happening around, so people appreciated. Ak io simartle. The truth. Ak io truili. There was a lie here. Ak io tumili. There was a silence here. Ak io ghalati. There was a betray here. I am Anna from Speak Georgian, and please follow for more.